In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your saved game files and configuration files for Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 on PC. Let's get right into it. First, open any folder on your PC, then go to your C drive. Inside the C drive, open the folder named Users. Now, click on your username folder. Next, you'll need to open the App Data folder. If you don't see it, click on the View tab at the top. Select Show, then click Hidden Items. Now you should see App Data appear. Open the App Data folder. Go to the local folder. Find and open the folder named Bloodlines 2. Open the Steam folder. Inside it, open the Saved folder. Then open Save Games. That's where all your saved game files are located. Go back to the saved folder. Open the folder called Config. Then open Windows. Find the file named GameUserSettings.ini. Double-click it and select Open with Notepad. Inside this file, you'll find your game's configuration settings, including graphics, resolution, and display options. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.